Ukadiche Modak is a Maharashtrian delicacy made specially as prasad for Ganapati Bappa. These modaks are very soft and juicy and are stuffed with a sweet coconut filling made with jaggery, making it an healthier option than the ones made with sugar. Traditionally, modak are shaped by hand, which requires fresh ground rice flour, preferably made out of ambe mohar or Indrayani variety of rice, which is easily got in Maharashtra but may not be available to many of us and have to depend on the store-bought rice flour. I faced this problem for years and realized the mold works best in such a situation, as then the modaks do not break while making and while steaming too. In this video, I am sharing an easy way to make modaks. So before we begin the recipe, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications for my future uploads for free. So let's get started with today's recipe. I will first dry roast 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds or khaskhas and remove them from the pan after 2 minutes. Then I will dry roast 1 teaspoon of white sesame seeds and once they begin to crackle, I'll remove them from the pan too. Now take 1 tablespoon of ghee and add 1 cup of freshly grated coconut and saute it for 2 minutes. Then I will add 1 cup of chopped jaggery and keep stirring it till the jaggery melts. After 3 to 4 minutes, you can see the jaggery has melted well and the mixture has started to become dry. When you do not see any water content in the center, this is the time that I will add the roasted poppy seeds, sesame seeds, and some dry fruits like cashews, raisins and almonds. You can add any as per your choice. The next ingredient I will add is optional, but if you add it, then it will take the modaks to another level of rich taste. This is store-bought mawa broken into pieces. It will just melt in the coconut filling and give the rich taste. Within moments, the mawa melts into the mixture. Remember, do not overcook this mixture, otherwise after cooling it will become very tight in consistency. Once the mawa melts, add cardamom, that is elaichi powder, and turn off the heat. Lastly, add some freshly grated nutmeg for the wonderful aroma. Nutmeg and jaggery go very well together as the taste and aroma complement each other. Mix well and keep it aside to cool down. Here I am taking 1.5 cups of water, and with the same measuring cup I will take rice flour. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee, as this will make the ukad soft, and to it add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and bring this to a boil. Once boiled, add in the rice flour and combine it well with the water. Switch the flame off, cover it and let it rest for 10 minutes. Remove in a big plate so that it is easy to knead it. I will start kneading it with the wooden knob used to roast the parathas, as the ukad is very hot. Kneading ukad when it is hot is very important to get the required texture. By applying water little by little, make the ukad soft and into a smooth dough. Do not add too much of water as we add to make a chapati dough, but just sprinkle a few drops till the ukad comes together and knead it with a lot of pressure till it becomes into a soft dough. As the ukad is very hot, Dipping the palm in water and then kneading it helps to make a soft dough. The ukad has come together as a soft ball, and now I will keep it covered in a bowl so that it doesn't dry up. It has become a nice soft dough. Before making the modaks, grease the steamer plate with ghee so that the modaks do not stick to it. You can also place banana leaves underneath and then place the modaks on top of it. Grease the modak mold. Take a lemon-sized portion of the ukad and roll it well between the palms to soften it further. Put it inside the mold. And with greased fingers, spread it all along the sides of the mold to get an even covering. Make a cavity in the center for the coconut filling. And stuff a portion of sweet coconut filling. Seal the base with ukad well, as many a times if you do not seal it properly, the base will come out after steaming the modak. And here our modak is ready for steaming. With wet fingers, just smoothen the edges formed with the mold, and then this modak looks perfect. So with any type of rice flour available to you, you can make modaks without breaking. The modaks are ready for steaming, but before that I will add a kesar strand for the lovely color and the aroma and steam it for 10 minutes. I have taken water underneath and now I will steam this for not more than 10 to 12 minutes. And our steaming hot Ukadiche Modak are ready to be served. Don't they look so tempting? Do try out this recipe, and if you like today's video, do share the video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.